ChatGPT has just received a significant memory upgrade, and this change is set to transform how you interact with AI in your daily life. So, what exactly does this memory update entail? First, let's explore what ChatGPT's memory means. With this upgrade, ChatGPT can now remember details about you, such as your name, preferences, and goals. This means that every time you engage with the AI, it can tailor its responses based on what it knows about you. Imagine having a personal assistant that recalls your favorite activities, your preferred writing style, or even your ongoing projects. This capability is a game changer, allowing for a more personalized and efficient interaction. Now, how does this memory feature change your daily use of AI? Picture this. You're scheduling meetings, writing emails, or even learning a new language. With memory, ChatGPT can help streamline these tasks by remembering your past interactions and preferences. For instance, if you frequently ask for reminders about specific tasks or deadlines, ChatGPT will remember these requests, eliminating the need for you to repeat yourself. It grows with you, adapting to your needs over time. This means less time spent on repetitive instructions and more time focusing on what truly matters. However, it's essential to address privacy and control. You might be wondering, what if I don't want ChatGPT to remember certain things? The good news is that you have complete control over this feature. You can easily toggle memory on or off whenever you choose. If you ever feel uncomfortable with the information stored, you can turn it off, ensuring that your preferences are always respected. This flexibility empowers you to use ChatGPT confidently, knowing you're in charge of your data. In summary, ChatGPT's memory upgrade makes your interactions more personal and efficient. It remembers your preferences, helps you manage your daily tasks, and adapts to your unique style. With this enhancement, AI becomes not just a tool, but a true companion in your daily life, ready to assist you like never before.